whole concept of integrated cancer care is that we can bring all these different specialties under one umbrella. Just not one at one side, but under one umbrella.
What that really means is that when patients have either a non-complex or more importantly a complex situation, these are situations where we can meet with physicians face to face, where all charting is shared throughout the system. So even if somebody sees, say, a general surgeon, I can see everything that that general surgeon has to say, all the lab tests they order, all the imaging tests they order. So we share absolutely everything. And we sit down and we discuss all the cases at that point. And that's like getting a free second opinion for our patients. So at those tumor boards, we have surgeons, medical oncologists, as well as multiple other specialists, and they all get to chime in, and we all get to sit down and decide, hey, listen, is this really the right pathway for this patient? Is there something more we should be considering? Are there further tests that we should be considering? What's the best treatment course for this patient?
I think one of the really great things about our integrated oncology program is that we offer all of the services our patients might need under one roof. So they get excellent clinical care, and they also have access to all of the support programs and services that we offer, as well as connections to the great community organizations that we work with just by coming to one building. And we really try to make that easy on patients so they don't have to go to all different places to get the care that they need. They can come to one spot and be supported mind, body, and spirit through DuPage Medical Group.
Our affiliation with Rush, I think, is a major benefit to the DuPage Medical Group, and it's a major benefit to many of our patients who are able to take advantage of that. There are definitely situations where patients have unique types of cancer, rare types of cancer, difficult situations, difficult diagnoses. And when it comes to those times, we do refer out for second opinions. And the fact that Rush comes here versus having the patient to go somewhere else makes for a seamless approach to the patient. These are patients that come see us here in Lisle one day, and the next day they literally walk down the hall to see one of the physicians from Rush.
I think patients that choose our integrated oncology program can feel confident that they're getting a thorough and comprehensive approach to their cancer. They're getting state-of-the-art treatments and procedures. They can also feel confident that they will be addressed as a whole patient and feel comfortable that their emotional needs and other needs are being addressed as well. In radiation oncology here at DuPage Medical Group, we are very fortunate to have a state-of-the-art department. We have a varian TrueBeam machine, which is very precise. It allows us to be able to attack certain cancers better than we could before we had the existing technology that we have.
DuPage Medical Group Oncology Program provides excellent cancer care. It provides a multidisciplinary, evidence-based, compassionate cancer care for all its patients.